Hi Mr. Knight, this video will be about limit definition. For this video, I'll be showing you how one-sided limits and how graphs can provide insight into these one-sided limits, or otherwise called complex limits. So the first complex limit that I will be doing is limit f of x of x from 2 coming from the left. So if you look at the graph, you can see coming from the left, there's a function with a slope of -1/2, and going to 2, the point equals 4. So for this one, you would put equals 4, but if you were to look at the same limit, but say it was coming from the right, you would look from the right side of this point at 2 and see how it would be meeting at 2 rather than 4, which is showing one of the qualities of one-sided limits, which is they coming from different directions, they could be equaling or have the limit at different points. So this limit f of x coming from that 2 from the right equals 2. While if you look at another quality of one-sided limits is if you look at the limit f of x equal x going to 6 from the right. So if you look at coming from the right, the limit of x going up to 6 is also 2. And then if you look at the same limit below this, coming from the left, this again meets at 2 from the left. The point is 2. But if you were to look at this limit, instead of being a one-sided, I'll limit with just limit to the point. This limit would not exist because of the open circle there that shows whole discontinuity, which means the limit of f of x going to 6 does not exist. Well, you can also look at, while not all of the graph has holes or open or jump discontinuities, you can look at limit f of x is 8 coming from the left, which as you can see here has an asymptote, so that again would be positive infinity as it continuously increases.